Yo, what's up YouTube, and welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Wi-Fi connected but it has no internet. As you can see, the Wi-Fi is connected here but it has no internet. It's connected but it has no internet. Let me go ahead and search for you for proof. I'm gonna press anything. As you can see, it says this site can't be reached. So the solution is, you wanna go to the Wi-Fi and then you right click, then you head to network and internet settings. Where you wanna go is go to network and internet settings, then press on advanced network settings. Then you wanna press the Wi-Fi 2 to extend it. In my case it's Wi-Fi 2, I don't know in your case, but just press what it says there. But in my case it's Wi-Fi 2. Now you wanna press on edit. As you can see, Wi-Fi, as you can see, internet protocol version 4, TCP IP4 IPv4, it's off. What you wanna do is to press it to turn it on. Then you wanna press OK. As soon as I press OK, the Wi-Fi is gonna come back. As you can see, it says no internet access. As soon as I press OK, check, it's gonna come back. Wait a few minutes. As you can see, the Wi-Fi is back. Now what you wanna do is search something for you to see whether the Wi-Fi is working. I'm just gonna search subscribe, because that's what I want you to do. Subscribe, like and share and comment. Yeah, as you can see, the Wi-Fi is working now. So guys, if this video worked for you, don't forget to subscribe, comment, like and share. Thanks for watching.